Welcome everyone to the tutorial on how to download the salt oxygen data for the Baltic Sea. So let's just get straight into it. We open a browser and we go to ICES website, that is ices.uk. It stores huge dataset collections related to the marine environment. So ICES stands for International Council for the Exploration of the Sea. We go to marine data and we click dataset collections. You can see the dataset collections consist of geography, biology, and hydrochemistry datasets. So the salt oxygen dataset you can find under hydrochemistry section if you click the CDD and bottle. So it directs you to the place where you can select your parameter of interest. In our case it's oxygen, but it can be any other one such as nitrate or pH. Here you select your period of interest, when it starts and when it finishes. In this case, we get the dataset for 1 year. Selecting an area, you can either enter the boundaries of the area or press Map button, where you manually select the area. So you left click on the mouse, hold and drag. So now you selected the Baltic Sea. If you're particularly interested in any country, you can select it from the list. The same goes with the ship. In our case, we leave it like this and we click Submit. Now download. It takes few seconds to generate the file. When the file has been generated, we can download it. And you see it's a zipped file, so we want to extract it. You press Extract to, and you probably want to create a new folder called DO, that stands for the salt oxygen. So there is your data. So now you can open it on R for the further analysis or plot it on any other GIS software. I hope that was helpful and thank you for your attention.